Schmickle. Where are you? He was standing on top of the boat. There's Pickle, and Pickle is actually a boy. There's Schmickle. So they are brothers. What are you doing? Schmickle, what's that sound? Oh my gosh. And they have my old Library of Congress project that I did for my Washington, D.C. project back at my old school. And I gave it to them because I wanted to see if they would play with it. And my parents were telling me that they were playing with it and that they were being very adorable. Are you excited? Are you so happy? Are you jumping around? Jump, jump, jump. Yeah? 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 Are you gonna try to climb on top of it? There you go. Good bird. You're so cute. There you go. Nice job. You did it. Is that like your new perch now? You can play with the blinds. That's what you're gonna do? Oh my gosh.